Hey Denver, we're Performance Vacuum, Denver's premier Miele store, and we're changing the way that you buy vacuum cleaners. We want to invite you into our physical brick and mortar store where you can look, feel, touch, even hear the difference between vacuum cleaners so that you know what you're buying and if it's going to work for you. We want you to compare and really ask the good questions to find the right vacuum for you. If you come into our store, you're going to see that you can look, feel, and touch. And we don't just sell Miele, we also sell all the competitors. So if you want to feel the difference, see the difference, or hear the difference, you're welcome to do so. We have a variety of flooring, not just carpet, but wood floor for you to try the vacuum cleaner on as well. We know a lot of houses have a mixture of floors, and we've laid our store out to kind of represent what you might have in your house so you get a good feel for what you're buying. Come on down and see the difference for yourself. All of our contact information, including our address, is in the description box below. We'll see you soon.